Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus people, in this reading I'm going to see your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have 8 of Cups. Taurus people, this is your current energy. Oh, the Sun. And this is your partner's current energy. Okay. Taurus people, I feel that you guys are going through some kind of a heartbreak situation, or perhaps you have seen so many uh, unfulfilling relationships in your life. Now you just want to create distance from from emotional attachments and love and relationship kind of a thing. I mean, you guys are distancing yourself from emotional relationships. Okay. I feel, Taurus, you have already tried and tested all the relationships, whatever you have in your life, okay? Be it your parents, be it your friends, okay? Everybody you have tried, okay? And at one point of time, you feel that nobody actually cares about you the way you do for them, okay? So somewhere that thing or that feeling has, has uh, killed your emotions, okay, has killed your innocence, okay. So now at this point of time in life, you don't want to be in any relationship, you don't want to be in any kind of or any sort of emotional attachment, okay. You are trying to move out, you just want to make peace for yourself, okay. Apparently I feel, Taurus, you guys are looking for something new in life now, okay. Maybe you have done whatever you can do to to be in someone's life, or to provide all your help or all your heart, okay, into a particular situation or into a particular relationship, okay. But now at this point of time you feel that nobody cares, okay, nobody knows where are you heading in life, okay. So now you are completely focusing on yourself, you are completely focusing on your life, okay. And perhaps I feel that most of you must be feeling a sense of detachment from everyone, okay, that it's okay, whatever happened now, I should see what is going to be there for me, okay, in life. So this is your current energy, Taurus, and we have the Sun. This is your partner's current energy. So with the Sun card, your person is living a best time of their life right now, okay. And I feel that they are like really really happy, okay. They are being somebody who has gained all the knowledge, okay, who has got the, I mean, who has got the idea that what is going to be there for them, okay. With the Sun card, they have got some clarity in life, okay. Perhaps they were somebody in past who were going here and there, okay, who was searching for the meaning of their life, okay. But with the Sun card, I feel that they have gained the clarity now, okay. Perhaps universe has given them some directions that this is your call in life, okay. You are meant to do this thing, okay. So your person is living the best time of their life right now, Taurus, and they are quite happy, quite satisfied, quite optimistic right now. Let's see how you see them and how they see you. Okay. We have Nine of Pentacles. So Taurus, perhaps you must be seeing your person as somebody who has everything in life. Okay, they have family, they have pets, they have financial abundance, they have prosperity in their life, they are happy. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is an independent person. Okay, who has complete control, okay, on their life. Okay, you see them as somebody who never rely on anybody else for their happiness. Okay, so sometimes you feel really you know good for them that they are not depending on any other person. Okay, on the other hand, Knight of Swords, your person sees you as somebody that, I mean, who is always ready to fight with the with the unfair situations or unfair people. Okay, so they see you as somebody who never hesitate to get into any kind of fight. Okay, and you are somebody who always rush or who always look up to justice things. Okay, you are the one who always want justice for everybody, and sometimes you feel that no, if nobody is going to take a lead of that particular situation, then I'll take a lead. Okay, and yeah, so they see you as somebody who is very impatient sometimes. Okay, they see you as somebody who takes decisions very very rapidly. I mean, you don't even think twice before taking any action. Perhaps you must have felt guilty about your some decisions in past. Okay, so that's how your person sees you, Taurus. Now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you. Uh-oh. So we have Five of Pentacles. Taurus, perhaps you feel uh, about your person as they are somebody uh, who is kicked out from their own home. Okay, they are the person, I mean, their family has left them out. Okay, somebody has dished them, somebody has thrown them out from their life. Okay, perhaps that's the reason they are showing themselves as they are very independent. Okay, that's why you are seeing them as an independent person. Okay, because as you can see, this person has everything in life. Okay, be it material things, be it finances. Okay, but the thing is that thing which is missing from their life is emotions. Okay, so perhaps they must not be showing it to the world that they are feeling heartbroken about some situation or about something. But yes, you feel that you have a sense of judgment. Okay, you feel that this person must is lonely, not uh, this person is lonely because they want to be in a relationship, but something had happened with them that this point of time they don't want anybody in their life. Okay, in terms of emotional attachment, somewhere they are also reflecting you. Okay, at some point of time you feel that your and their stories are same. Okay, so you feel with this Five of Pentacles card that they are the one who is left out by their own people. Okay, who has nothing in life. Okay, perhaps they have been through so much of tough time in life. Now they have become Nine of Pentacles. Okay, they have earned a lot of money on their own. Okay, they have they have earned a respect in society on their own. Okay, so yes, that's how you feel about them. And on the other hand, your person feels about you as Eight of Wands. Again, energetic. They feel you as somebody is I mean they feel you as someone, as you are someone who is very energetic. Okay, whenever it takes I mean, you don't wait for the other person to start or initiate anything, okay? If you feel that this particular situation requires your attention, you do that thing right now, okay? Immediately. You don't wait for anyone's approval. You don't need any other person's advice, okay? You feel that this thing is right for me or for the other people who are attached with me, so you just do it like this way, okay? So they feel you about that you are somebody who takes actions, okay, who is basically a doer, okay, not a talker, okay? Now let's see how you feel about this relationship. Okay, Taurus, with this Nine of Pentacles card, you feel, I mean, I'm seeing that you are the one who are playing safe, okay? Um, Perhaps you have seen so many bad relationships in your life. That's why you are just, protecting yourself, okay? You are just making sure that whenever you are going to approach your person or whenever you are going to be in this relationship, you just want to know all the know-hows, or all you just want to get a lot of information before moving ahead in particular in this particular relationship and with this particular person, okay? So you are being somebody who is waiting for the correct time, okay? Perhaps you are observing the behavior of your partner, okay? Perhaps you are thinking that whether I should move ahead with this person or not, okay? Perhaps you must be observing their behavior, you must be analyzing their behavior, okay? The how they treat, okay, how they behave in some particular situations. So perhaps you are being somebody who's trying to play safe, okay? And you are just seeing how you can take this relationship ahead if you feel that this relationship is safe, or this person is safe, or else you'll be here only, okay? You won't move here and there. You are just standing still here. You don't want to be move here and there, okay? You are just waiting for the correct time. The day you will feel that yes, I should go with this person, or I can continue with this person, you will definitely take certain action towards this person in this relationship. But yes, if you feel that no, this is not the person for which what I am looking for, I won't I won't initiate any action from my end, okay? On the other hand, your person feels in this relationship as the moon. They feel that you are hiding something from them. Perhaps you have not opened your heart in front of them. Perhaps you have not discussed your bad relationship experiences with them. Perhaps there is something within your heart and mind which you are afraid to tell them, okay? So your person feels at times that something is fishy here, okay? My Taurus person is not comfortable to share some certain points with me, or to discuss certain points with me, okay? Perhaps you are somebody who is who is afraid to show their heart, okay? Who is afraid to show their scars, okay? So that's why a person feels about you that this person, this person as in you, Taurus people, okay? So you are not ready to show your scars to your person, okay? And a lot of hide and seek game is going on in this relationship, okay? Let's see what is going to be the future potential of this relationship. Oh my God, Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. As I said, you are trying to play safe, okay? You are not going to move in it until you are not sure about your person and on about this relationship. And this Wheel of Fortune is also saying that saying this thing that when the time will be correct, you will definitely going to take any action towards your person, okay? Perhaps you are the one who is waiting for the correct time. Perhaps you know what your person wants from you. Perhaps you are very well aware that your person has genuine emotions for you, okay? But it's you who is holding back your emotion. It's you who wants to be sure to move ahead in this relationship, who don't want to go through that bad phases over and over again. Okay, so it's you who is waiting for the correct time. It's you who is waiting for the right time to approach your person. Okay, now this reading is very much clear to me. Your person must have gained the clarity about you, that it's you with whom they would like to spend rest of their life. But on the other hand, it's you, I mean, it's them. Okay, it's you who is quitting on emotional, attachments. Okay, but yes, at some point of time you feel that it's okay if if someone comes into my life, I'll definitely see that person. Okay, or I'll definitely observe their behavior or their efforts towards me. Okay, so if you will feel that okay, this person is worth this person is worthy of my attention, then only I'll give them. So basically the thing is that you are waiting for the right time to approach your person. Okay, and yes, future is also saying the same thing. When the time will be correct, you are going to be together. Okay, now let's see what angels are telling you, or some guidance from angels. Get more information. That's what I was talking about, Taurus. Angels are asking you to take some more information about your person. Okay, you need to have a close monitor about, on your person. Okay, how they treat other people, how they behave in particular situation, what they do when they get angry, what they do when they get happy. Okay, how they celebrate, how they talk to the other people. Okay, how they be treat other people. Okay, how they treat less fortunate people. Okay, you need to check, close, you need to do a close check on their this kind of behavior. Okay, so angels are also asking you to get more information before proceeding in this relationship. Okay, okay. So Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this moon card. Okay, and we have water sign in this reading: Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this eight of cups. We have earth sign in this reading: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So some of you must be dealing with another earth sign with this nine of pentacles, five of pentacles, nine of pentacles. Okay, we have fire sign in this reading: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this eight of swords. And some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this nine of swords. Okay, okay. So Taurus, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.